Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. Begin by opening Tab menu. Now just look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!